Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all doing great. Valentine's Day is on the corner, so I thought I'm gonna create something for the occasion. And what's better than some luscious red lips, huh? Originally I was inspired by Lisa Eldridge's Instagram look. She posted a photo wearing a glossy cherry lip. It was so gorgeous, I had to do something similar. I hope you will enjoy the tutorial, and before you leave, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you! First, I'm gonna apply my foundation, which is the Clinique Even Better. I always use this on special occasions. It evens out my skin tone, covers my pores, has a beautiful finish and looks seamless on the skin. It's the best foundation I've ever tried in my life. To conceal and highlight under my eyes and my T-zone, I'm using the new Revolution concealer in C1. This is so hyped up at the moment, I had to jump on the wagon and try it myself. And I must say, it's really good. Everyone compares it to the Tarte Shape Tape. I've never tried it, but I would love to. I just can't really get my hands on it in the UK. But this is for the fraction of the price and it's a really good concealer. To spot conceal, I'm taking the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC20. I'm not gonna powder my whole face because I will use some cream product, just under my eyes and my T-zone, and to do that I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder. I want to do my brows more natural with this look, so I'm taking the MAC Brown Pencil in Spiked and I'm just lightly filling them in. To clean up the front a little bit, I'm using a concealer with a tiny brush. Now I have a trick I've learned. I'm taking a baby soap and I spritz it with facial spray. Just a little bit, not too much. Then I'm taking a spoolie and just run it through the soap. It's important not to coat the spoolie with soap, so it won't be white. Otherwise your brow hair will look white. Nobody wants that. So this is like a hairspray for your brows. On my eyes, I'm going to be using these two neutral shades from Dior. First, with a big fluffy brush, I'm just blending the matte peachy shade all over my lid. Then I spritz my brush and apply the chocolatey bronzy shade. To blend out the edges, I'm going back with the big fluffy brush. I want to warm up my crease a little, so I'm taking my bronzer to do so. I'm blending the bronzer on my lower lash line as well. Now with the Maybelline gel eyeliner, I just lightly draw my lash line. I'm not gonna do a dramatic wing, just a little flick. Next I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Paradise Extatic Mascara and some falsies, but just on the outer corner. I cut up my Luxy lashes in Trap Queen and I'm gonna use 2 pieces on each side. I think it looks more natural and flirty this way. To warm up my face, I'm using the H&M bronzer in Natural Bronze. For the blushing cheeks, I'm gonna use my new favorite cream blusher from MAC in Relaxation. I love the creamy formula. It leaves the cheeks dewy and glowy. I want to have a more subtle highlight today, so I'm using the MAC Cream Color Base in Pearl. This has a lovely golden undertone. You can build this up if you want a stronger highlight, but with this look I just want the healthy glow from within. I'm using this to highlight my inner corners and under my brows as well. First, I want to contour around my lips, and for that I'm using the Essence Cosmetics lip liner in Girl Next Door. I have a video on how I overline my lips. If you want to check it out, I leave the link on the screen. To achieve the glossy cherry lips, I'm gonna use the Gouache Lip Lacquer in Funky Lips. Because it's a lacquer, it leaves a stain on the lips even when the gloss rubs off. So first I'm taking off the excess from the applicator and really work the color into my lips. Then I'm going over with a thicker layer. This way it's going to stain my lips for sure. And this is it, guys. I hope you like this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. See you next time. Bye!